In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change footer color on Shopify Dawn theme. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin and how to safely adjust the footer background color using the theme's CSS file. Start by signing into your Shopify account so you're on the main admin dashboard. This is the central place where you manage your store, and it's where we'll access your theme settings. Next, look to the left sidebar and click Online Store. This opens the section where your themes live. Inside Online Store, go to Themes. Here, you'll see your current theme at the top. If you're using the Dawn theme, great. That's what this walkthrough is based on. If a different theme is active, the process is similar, but file names or classes may differ slightly. To access the code editor, click the three-dot menu next to your active Dawn theme and choose Edit Code. A quick tip before editing: making code changes affects how your live store looks. It's a good idea to be cautious and know how to revert changes if needed. You're about to add a small, safe snippet, but care always helps. In the code editor, look at the left-hand file tree and open the Assets folder. Inside, find and click Base S. This is the main style sheet where we'll add a tiny bit of CSS. Once base.css is open, scroll all the way to the bottom so your changes are neatly separated and easy to find later. Now paste your CSS at the very end and replace the placeholder color with your desired hex code. The instruction you're following uses #yourcolor code as a placeholder, so swap that for a real hex value, like number 1 for a dark gray or #f for white. Make sure the hex code starts with the hash symbol. If your snippet targets the footer background color, updating that single hex value is all you need. Keeping this addition at the bottom of base.css ensures it overrides earlier rules cleanly. After you've pasted your snippet and replaced the color, click Save in the top right corner of the editor. Wait for the confirmation that your changes are saved. The footer color change will now be applied to your theme. If your storefront was already open in another tab, you may need to refresh to see the update. If it doesn't appear right away, a hard refresh or clearing your browser cache can help. That's it. Your Shopify Dawn theme footer color is now updated using a quick, clean CSS change in base.css.